you have to pay for one-size-fits-all insurance coverage, Liberty Mutual customizes your car and home insurance so you only pay for what you need. Liberty Mutual Insurance.
This is KMX News, 97.1 FM.
The people you know, the voices you trust.
It's 12:03. Good morning. I'm Art Sanders. The waves of heavy rainfall created multiple problems on the 101 freeway from Santa Barbara County to Ventura. Weekend Trio reports drivers who got out of Santa Barbara got hit with a major closure just before the Ventura city limits.
Like Santa Barbara, Ventura still got hit with 76 inches of rain. When it flows downhill way too fast, it brought floodwater on the roads to make it impassable. In this case, 2 to 3 feet of water over both lanes of the 101 freeway, something Ventura County Fire Captain Gilbert Segovia says has been seen many times before.
Everything got plugged up and it all got imaginative, and we've done it multiple times in the past.
Fortunately, the CHP and other first responders stopped traffic, avoiding what could get stalled and swept away by the floodwaters. And after about a 2-hour delay, the waters receded and a miles-long traffic jam. Hundreds of cars and trucks made their way southbound. At the Ventura City limits, I'm Pete Demetrio, KNX News 97.1 FM.
The Ventura County Fire Department says its swiftwater rescue crews have rescued at least 14 people from the Ventura River Island. The department says its air unit helicopter was also involved and airlifted another 7 people off the island, which is near West Main Street and 15th Street in Ventura. Not kind of weather most of us are used to around here. The storm whipped through Southern California doing its share of damage, and there may be more. And thunder and lightning may intensify, says meteorologist Kristen Stewart with the National Weather Service, who has this advice.
The most important thing is staying indoors. So we always say it's thunder doors, go indoors. So you're not staying outside if you're thunder or things like that. The best thing to do is stay inside, especially with all the trees and flooding. The best thing to do is stay at home and keep those errands until later on.
Among the damage done by the storm, a roughly quarter-acre hillside collapsed in West Hills, Hollywood, and a major sinkhole in Chatsworth that gobbled up 2 cars. LA Fire Battalion Chief Andrew Warden said they had to rescue 4 people using ladders and ropes.
The way the car is in the hole, we got to a point with the way the storm was coming in and the instability of the hole, that we reached a point where we had to institute extreme measures to go ahead and rescue both of those victims before the car shifted or the hole collapsed.
No major injuries, but the sinkhole fully cut across the southbound lane of Iverson Road, and the entire road was closed to traffic. We have more news ahead on the flooding and the weather. That's all coming up. Stay with us. It's 12:05 at KNX. Traffic and weather together every 10 minutes on the 5. Here's Tim Greenwood.
We have a new SIG alert, Art. This is on the 101 eastbound, where it changes names to the 134. So the 101 eastbound, you're coming out of Sherman Oaks, you cross over the 170, and you could turn south and go into Hollywood. But if you stay there in those 2 left lanes and try to go east into Tujunga and Burbank, that is closed for 30 minutes. They have not specified if it's a crash or if it's mud or if it's rain, but the 101 east at the 134 is closed. So you can go south on the 101 toward Universal City and down toward the Hollywood Bowl. If you need to go east, you may want to exit at Coldwater Canyon, go north, pick up Riverside Drive, and then go east toward the east of the freeway. 405 northbound at Rinaldi Street, car park in lane. 405 northbound at Avalon, somebody else hit the center divider and spun around, facing the wrong way. We have a collision at the 10 westbound at Kellogg Drive. A single car off the road and into a pole, and the car has damaged itself in such a way that the person is trapped in the car, and they'll be doing an extrication now. 4-level interchange downtown, 110 south, next to the 101 north. Car drove into it. Blood is still there. So is the car. Next traffic report, 05 north at Lankershim. Still all lanes blocked. Next traffic report at 12:15 in the Irvine Auto Center, 24-hour traffic.
Showers and thunderstorms this morning, then showers likely by afternoon. Look for highs in the upper 50s to mid-60s. Right now in Los Angeles, it is currently 68 degrees. U-Haul was one of the areas that was pelted by rain. Emily Valdez there.
All the rain is coming down sideways. It's
is a historical record for no rain in that location. So unprecedented rainfall right now, had been occurring throughout the day. The bad news is we're not out of it yet.
That's National Weather Service meteorologist Barry Cole. He says the county could get another 7 to 8 inches of rain through tomorrow. Officials telling everyone in the county to stay off the roads unless you're evacuated. California is rushing to make up for lost time in adjusting its water management and storage policies to adjust to the salmon weather patterns that are becoming the norm thanks to climate change. The goal is to stop relying on the Sierra snowpack or water from the Colorado River. Instead, capture a lot more rainfall from these atmospheric river storms when they hit. The state is in the process of building new reservoirs closer to city centers, cleaning and recharging groundwater basins, and keeping the emphasis on water conservation. Hydrologist Andrew Fisher at UC Santa Fe tells KNX, since most of California's water is used for agricultural purposes, that's where more changes are needed.
I feel like that changes will be made that will allow California to adjust, and not only that, but to thrive under new conditions. It may mean, it probably will mean, that the way we conduct agriculture is going to change somewhat. There may be some crops that are grown less in California and more in other places. There may be changes in which areas are the most heavily developed for agriculture and which areas are not.
Fisher said California cities are way ahead of the curve in adjusting water policies to climate change. Migrants are arriving by the busload. The cities far north of the border that can't handle them.
It's become a serious issue in cities like Denver, which has seen an influx of about 200 a day since early December. Analyst Julia Glass of the Migration Policy Institute in Washington tells KNX many of these migrants who are trucking farther north are coming from places farther south.
For a long time, it was primarily Mexican immigrants, and of course there's a big Mexican community here. But it was Central American migrants. We also have long-standing Central American migrant communities. But the new groups that are coming, Nicaraguans and Venezuelans, have less of an established community in the U.S. and maybe less likely to have ties here than people who can support them.
Many of the cities to which they're traveling can't support the latter. Winter storms in Denver have stranded thousands of Venezuelan migrants, many of whom have no place to stay. I'm Brian Fan, KNX News 97.1 FM.
More news ahead on KNX, including investigators have more information now about a woman killing in Santa Clarita. That's on the way. Also, we get an update on these wet roads and all the trouble that's going on out there in just 4 minutes. It's 12:11.
Get up and connected.
With LA's Morning News on KNX News 97.1 FM.
Celebrate the new year with a realistic resolution that you actually can achieve. Address hair loss. Regrow your own natural hair with Advanced Hair's easy one-day treatment. Plus, get $250 off and 250 free hair grafts. AdvancedHair.com.
Contractor license number 39171. Will you tell me how much to unstop my drain?
$99.
Hey, how do you?
Mike Diamond with Smell Good Products.
Just voted the LA Times 2022 Best of the Southland. And like, I really like that you're up front and everything. I mean, I just called a guy named Bubba who wouldn't tell me the cost over the phone.
No Bubba's here, ma'am. Just professional plumbers who show up on time, smell good, and unclogged drains for $99.
Call us. 1-800-446-MIKE. Do you have 3 ex-wives and your current trophy wife wants a life insurance policy 3 times the size of the policy you had to purchase for your previous mistake? If so, you need to call Big Lou at Term Provider, 800-777-1979. Big Lou is intimately familiar with your problems, and if you're 50 or 60 years old and in reasonably good health, a $1 million policy should only cost about $100 to $200 per month. Big Lou may have a solution for your previous policies as well. You may even save enough money to lighten the load on your new $1 million policy. Remember, call Big Lou. He's like you. He's only on number 2. Call Term Provider at 800-777-1979. That's 800-777-1979. For $1 million in term life insurance that you can live with. Call Big Lou at 800-777-1979. 800-777-1979.
I'm attorney Darren Capanopi, founder of 1-800-NO-COP, reminding you to exercise your right to shut the f*** up. doesn't make you look guilty, it makes you look smart. 1-800-NO-COPS, because no one looks good in handcuffs. Unless you're into that sort of thing. 1-800-NO-COPS.
Are you tired of living with chronic joint pain, knee pain, shoulder pain, pain in your hips or back? Hey, it's Jim Rome. You don't have to go through another year in pain. Next generation pain management has arrived. It's QC Kinetics. QC Kinetics is the nation's leader in cutting-edge regenerative medicine. Regenerative medicine is amazing. It's an all-natural process that uses highly concentrated healing properties from your own body, putting them directly into your achy joints to restore and repair the damaged tissue. I'm talking lasting pain relief with no drugs, no surgery, and no downtime. Pro athletes have been doing this for years, and now you can too. QC Kinetics has over 100 clinics in America, and now there are 3 locations in Southern California, Glendale, Mission Viejo, and Orange. If you're sick of living with pain from arthritis or injury, call the medical professionals at QC Kinetics for a free consultation. Call 213-997-PAIN. QC Kinetics, 213-997-PAIN. That's 213-997-PAIN.
Stay connected any